thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. Today I would like to present you my ideas I have on the shredder, which is part of my filament extruder project, and I hope you enjoy it. So as you can see, I'm on the Ikea website, and this is the Annon's pot that I bought for €6. So yeah, there's not much to say about this. It's just a normal pot to use to cook. This is the angle grinder I'm gonna use. So this will grind up the plastic and hopefully work as a recycling method. Yeah, it's got 12,000 turns a minute, so should be fast enough. And it's only €30, which is the cheapest I could find. That also seems to be in an acceptable quality. So yeah, altogether it will be a pretty cheap shredder. And also I'm gonna get these hooks that are usually used for the wall in a garage or something. This will be used as legs to reduce the vibrations. Probably I will use 3 of them in a triangular orientation. So over here I have the plans, and this should visualize it a little bit more. So these cylinders, they resemble the legs, those hooks I just showed you, and I will make a connection between them so they can hold the pot. And then this big one here on top, this is the pot from Ikea, and this piece right here resembles the angle grinder, and I will screw it onto the pot from the underside. Yes, and then it can turn inside, and the grinded plastic will be thrown to the side here, and there I want to connect a box or a little container, so none of the plastic flies out or somewhere into the room. It should be pretty airtight. And then once this is full, you can close it off right here and take it off. And then there should be a mechanism where you can put this box, so this box is this box, onto the hopper of the extruder. And this connection allows the grinded plastic to fall into the hopper and be extruded. So it should be kind of like a locking system. So most of the plastic stays inside of the bins, because I've seen a lot of shredders online, and the plastic always flies around to everywhere. I want to prevent that from happening. So these are kind of the plans I made. It's just a very basic sketch. I made this using Fusion. And over here I also made a little bit more colors. So this is the pot again, the 3 legs, the angle grinder, and the box. And over here you can see the hopper. So I hope you understand what I mean by this interlocking system. So it needs to have one opening on this side and one on the underside. I don't know yet how I will activate it, maybe using magnets or just pushing force onto here and onto here, or just a normal mechanical trapdoor or something. I will have to see about that. Maybe add a motor so the grinded plastic doesn't stick inside here. Yeah, that's pretty much the idea. So as you can see, this is Annon's from Ikea. this will be the base for my plastic shredder. So I will use an angle grinder as I showed before, and in this pot I will put the plastic. So I will do a little unboxing. So let's open this up. This is a little bit difficult. So like this. And yeah, it's just a simple cooking pan. You can use it for cooking normally, but I won't use it for cooking. Yeah, it was €6, so pretty cheap. And this is glass. This is metal. So it should provide a good base for the shredder. I will make a hole in the bottom and put the angle grinder here. And then I can probably screw off the handles, because here you can see the screw, and then I can put some legs on it so it stands above the ground and it reduces the vibrations. Yeah, and for that I probably use some type of rubber or something to put on the end of the legs, so that should reduce it pretty good. Also, I will make a hole right here, so shredded material can be sucked out or pushed out by the grinder, and I can use it to put it into my extruder. So this is like an extension for the FileX extruder, and this helps me to complete the cycle of the complete recycling of old prints. So the angle grinder I showed you before is also pretty cheap, so it should stay under about €50, and I've seen it online multiple times, so it should work, but I don't know how it will work with bigger prints or something like that. But in the future update I will definitely test it. Pretty happy that I found this. So Ikea is not always known for cheap things, but the pans and cooking accessories and such things are pretty cheap. So that's why I chose this one. If it's too small, but I don't think so, I could use another one, but as it says right here, it fits 2.8 liters, so that's quite a lot. Also, it's pretty thin metal used for this pot here. I don't know how to show you this, but it is pretty thin, and yeah, I should get through with a metal drill. Yeah, so one hole here, a bigger one on the side, and the lid, maybe I need to isolate this so nothing gets out. Maybe a little rubbery thingy or something, layer between the lid and the pot, but that we will see it in the future update. Yeah, so I hope you are excited as me about this. I definitely am very excited, because it brings us nearer to the final version. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to follow this project further. And thanks for watching.